Hello children, how are you all? I hope everyone is good. Today we are going to learn subject maths. Okay? Now open your book. Today is your class work number name. Number name. Mention your date, class work, video number. Write the number name 31 to 40. Okay? पिछली बार हम 21 to 30 लिखे थे ना. आज हमारा लेसन है 31 to 40. THIRTY 30 ONE 31 THIRTY 30 TWO2 32 THIRTY 30 THREE 3 33 THIRTY 30 FOUR 4 34 THIRTY 30 FIVE 5 35 THIRTY 30 SIX 6 36 THIRTY 30 SEVEN 7 37 THIRTY 30 EIGHT 8 38 THIRTY 30 NINE 9 39 FORTY 40. Okay, this is your classwork over. Next page your homework. Same homework. Write the number name 31 to 40. Okay, ये आपके बाजी मम्मी कोई भी हेडिंग लिख के देने के बाद आपको होमवर्क कंप्लीट करना है. ये थी आज के आपके मैथ्स की क्लास. इंशाल्लाह फिर हम अगली क्लास में मिलेंगे. अल्लाह हाफिज़.